Update from Akobo, South Sudan. The security situation in Akobo remains fragile. Peacekeepers from the United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, continue to carry out patrol to protect civilians. Peacekeeping troops from India are actively monitoring the area and working to maintain calm as tension remains high. According to Gesa Pius, head of the UNMISS field office in Jonglei, protecting civilians is their top priority. She says their mission is focused on supporting efforts that can help bring peace, stability, and safety back to communities in the area. United Nations peacekeepers say they will continue their patrol and engagement with local communities as they work to prevent further violence. What do you think about the role of United Nations peacekeeper in Akobo? Share your thoughts in the comment.